Hello guys. Bitcoin evolution continues the base of understanding the upper routes, lessening the kitchen. There's a sharp downside, no cloud user. Bitcoin turned down sharply on April 21, making its 70 correction, which they use a quick market which reverends direction after use. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell in the basis point rate his was notable in May. The Satan his continuous on April 22 was investing trims cry association expiration of an aggressive states from central bank to curb surgical inflation with run rate Peter Brand said in 20 recalculations this Nasquink 100 index was showing formation simulations the one is hit made before placing in the year 2000. His history represents trends the index clouds which is a sharp correction. They may be negative for crypto market in the short term because of the chase correction before Bitcoin and the index. The cyber price attention crypto century in the wake macro investing have resolution in regulatory Google search for the trends Bitcoin and Ethereum and crypto trading evolution have been in the single trend for some time migration to become the total exchange volumes of major crypto exchange population and 100 billion on April 20 and those level is since October. Counts Bitcoin and evolution continue the downward move, or it's time for a really the study the charts for of the type 10 crypto century to find out. Bitcoin USDT. Bitcoin broken about the 5-day simple moving average on April, but the balance collapsed. No solution. The higher levels seen from the long which on days gently the price reversion duration from $100 million and slightly below the 1-year expiration point range. The solution continues on April 22 and the bars are intending to pull the price down to the supply line of the station change patterns that allows only 21 days MA and the relation trend index RSA in the negative zone whereas the bus have the upper hand if the price breaking below the support line of the change. The stolen collusion interests in the BTC or USDT pair challenge dropped to $37 connection in the price terms from the collusion level or the support line. It will regularly this balance or activity balancing at lower levels. The bus will have to push and solution the price low 79 to signal dollar stage the pair collusion they rise to the 29-day SMA 79 and later challenge the dollarization line of the change. Ethereum and USDT. Ethereum has been stuck between the 21-day EMA threshold and the 5-day SMA for the past 5 days. Server version to back of the size rights range have been restructured with trigger the balance are going on rips civil bears are solution can releases the downstream 29-day EMA in the rise in the negative terrorism gave a slight edge to the sellers. If the price slips below $100, the possible for a drop so impression in the of the delivery is using trading platform in the scratch. The balls are likely to mount a strong deflation at the level if the price revolution of the trading clean the ball will make the effort to purple the Ethereum is and the USDT pair above the 21-day EMA. If you secure the pair cloud really to the 20.012 SMA, $3 break and close above this level, which complete the ascension trading pattern resolution and potential trend changer. BNB and USDT. The link which April content shows the brace or cylindry interlinear, the overhand recession at $79. BNB continues the move down and broke below this 5 days, May $79 in April. If breaking the price below the selling close, price in the BNB CUSDT pair may drop to the strength support $70 in price revolution of the level which range it will trigger the pair cloud range bound between and for some more time. Operation is the price background of the strong support zone between the 5-day SMA and the bull switch and trend drives the prior to and the break and close above this level shows signal potential trend change. XRP USDT. Ripple XRP has been stuck in a range between and for the past 5 days. All the price revolution of the support of the range in April, the bulls cloud nuclear, the variation held the 5 days SMA instructions of damning at higher levels. The burst which now straight the pole, the XRP and the USDT pair below the support of the managed to dissolve the prior cloud drop to 0 standards and later dollars the 20 days has started the turn down in the rising in the negative zone, suggesting that the patch of late resistant in the two downside. Alternatively, if your price revolution of which force it will indicate strong accumulation by the bulls, the buyer with the gain try overcome the overhead barring and push the prior. Sol USDT. Solana broken about 21 day May or in April, but the bulls cloud not the certain levels. The bars pulled the price back below May on April 21. The setting is continuing. The bears are trading to solutions the price below in the head hyping the soul pair drops the support line of decoration channels this improved level to cap an error because it gives with the pair cloud drop the strong support $71 contract this computation of the price about of the crucial level or the support and of the change the bells will again to try push the pair above if can is the pair solely at the USDT Cardano that has been consolatory in the doorly the price turned down from the 5-day May April 21 solutions that his bears are aggressively defending the overhead resistance at $1. The downlight 21 day May and the rise below indicating the bars have the upper hand is self-free spinning the price below the suddenly packet moment and the it is the deep rock challenge drops the creating support at $0. This is important level of the balls difference because if it creates to downtrend may resume the balls which have to push and solutions the price above $1 the indication the bars might be losing at every grip. The power closes this rise to $1 and later tempo early to the stiff overhead resistance at $1. Goodbye guys.